What's up everyone? Today I'm back from the junkyard. Found a hood at the junkyard. It has really good paint on it still, so hopefully this will look good on the CLK. Thanks to Jason over here, I was able to use his truck.
The good old buffer. Good old buffer.
Well, I did find a trunk, but unfortunately it has a dent on it right here. So I'll have to rethink about it and see if I'll still pick it up. It would just be quite annoying to fix. So.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, whoa. Oh, shit. Hold on.
Damn, that was a huge difference. Ugly hood. Nice.
That's right, ugly. Nice hood.
Wow. That's crazy. I mean, this hood isn't. I mean, this hood, if someone wanted to, they could still paint it.
Use it.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, you said you got a grill already. Are you using this grill or this?
Oh hell no, I'm not using this grill. Look at this shit. It looks ugly. I got a grill from that one yesterday. The other day.
That's right. Okay, that's what you said.
We're just gonna put it on after we put the hood on.
Okay.
All right, let's give it a try. Just hold it like that. It's not stressful. It's not hard. You're good. I'm gonna go grab a cup.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That was supposed to be as a joke, but it's like, no, it's good. Oh, there you go. It's good. It's on top of the joke.
It feels so hard.
That's what she said.
Or maybe I'm just not used to it. Can you take that off? Oh, dude, it's like we know what we're doing. I think we're pretty spot on.
It's just like 99.9. No, oh yeah, that's right. I forgot still one clip.
This on, and the other one. Bro, this thing keeps going higher.
Nice. Dun dun dun.
Fortunately, I'm not that tall. Oh, here we go. Got it. Where's the Ugga Dugga machine? There it is. Ooh. Alright. Alright, let's test fit it.
Very nice, very nice.
Should be it, right?
Yep.
Let's get this out of the way. Watch not open back up. But that fuck up.
How's it closing?
Should we slam it harder?
On the right side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or wonder if maybe this needs more adjustment.
Momento el truto.
What's that?
Moment of truth.
Oh.
Actually, I don't know.
Shit off. Please.
Ho!
Hey!
You did it.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I just adjusted it over here. It's not the perfect gap. I don't remember how it looked before. I mean, it looks good.
No, that's good.
Maybe I'm just being over analytical. I think it lined up pretty good.
No, that's pretty,
Alright, time to sell the car.
Heard that here first, folks. Selling a 01 AMG CLK.
Got a big V8 in it.
For $1,500. Let's take her. Let's come first.
It's from Mercedes, so it'll be official once I put this on. Oh shit, I did it backwards. Am I supposed to squeeze it in?
So it's official.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta put the grill on. It's not official yet.
Not official.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, we did a whole makeover in like 1 week.
Because you're balling.
Is this what a real YouTuber feels like when they have money? Why doesn't it fit right? Am I doing something wrong?
That's what she said.
I think it's this thing. There we go. Beautiful.
Damn.
Dude, this thing looks so much better already.
And actually,
screws from the junkyard, you know what I'm saying? We just picked them. Why are my hands like jittering? Tying up these bolts, you know what I'm saying? Can't wait to manual swap this thing. Can't wait to wash it again. Moment of truth. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh my god, it looks so much better. It looks like a normal car again. No more ugly grill. It's got a nice, freshly painted hood that I just scratched. It's not freshly painted, it's from the junkyard. And we cleaned up the headlights.
yeah. Took out the oxidation at least.
Yeah.
Much more crisp.
It needs actual like detailing from Jason. Stage 2.
Out of business. You got it,
I'm
dude.
pumped already, man. It looks a lot better than before. Like, it actually looks like a car that I could drive in.
Well, I would hope so.
Alright. Well, that's good.
Damn, this wheel got though.
I don't know, man. This is making the whole car look ugly.
Swollen.
Yeah, it looked a little bit better when this was still on. And then someone debadged it. I don't know why. Like, they took it off. No, why would I take it off? Yeah, but even this looks like someone took it off and stuck it back on. I'm really, really pleased at how the hood looks. It looks so much better now. Like, it actually looks like it's worth how much I paid for it. So now the only thing I need to find is a trunk. Unfortunately, we did find a trunk there from the same car. And the paint is good, but it was dented a little bit, especially on the lower area. I think the junkyard people tried to pry the trunk out first before they just opened it up normally, I guess, by just like plugging a battery in. Hopefully I can find another trunk and just repaint it, because it would suck if I just buy that trunk and put it on and it still had a bunch of dents. It just looks so much better. Like, this has only like been a week and I'm really pleased with how well it looks. And this was only $60. $60 for this hood. And it had the grill and everything too, so I don't have that old ugly grill anymore. Cleaned up the headlights a little bit from what you remember. I'm gonna put like a before picture. And it's just, man, I'm just really pleased with how it looks. I picked up a blower motor resistor while I was there, so I want to give that a try and see how it goes. I need to move the seat backwards, and the switch just makes it move forward, so looks like number 2. Oh yeah, keep going. Keep going. So to access the blower motor resistor, you just remove these 3 screws. Pretty easy. I'll be back. I need an actual drill. I'm over here living in the Stone Age trying to get this out manually. To remove those 3 screws, Phillips head screws, you just move these things here. And let me get it. This should just pop out. Give me a sec. Well, that could be part of the problem. Look how much is in here. Wow. I need to get a vacuum now and vacuum this up. No wonder why that thing is just screaming for help. Once you have the cover open, you just remove that screw right there, that torque screw. See right there? And there's another one way back there, right there. Right there. And then you just remove these 2 things, they just pop out. And it should just drop down. Alright, moment of truth. About to put the fuse in for the blower motor resistor. Please work, please work, please work. Ah, it worked. Dude, sweet. Let's see if it has air now. Oh, there you go. Aha! It does what it's told to do. I think it burnt up because of all that junk in there. Still sounds like there's a lot of junk in there. So I'm gonna try and vacuum it out, that blower fan. But so far we're good. $10. Woo! I just painted this. Looks very similar to the black already on the car, so I'm fine with that. It's a very small piece anyway. So let's get this thing on. Aha! Yes, yes, yes. New wiper blade, old one. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the bulbs in the cluster. As you remember, this one and this one aren't working that well. This is as good as it's gonna get. Can't, for some reason, I've tried like 10 different bulbs and this side just doesn't want to turn on. I'm guessing the contact points need to be cleaned, but it's already late, so I'll deal with that another day. I'm just gonna test fit the wheels. I still have to lower the car a little bit, so I'm gonna wait until I borrowed the spring compressor from my friend. It's like a Mercedes variant spring compressor, but the only real issues now is just getting these wheels to fit, and then getting a trunk. I actually took off the trunk spoiler over there, and I repainted the roof spoiler too. So, and then we can go ahead and clay bar and clean up the car again. I ordered a steering wheel adapter, so I'm gonna put my old steering wheel from the E36 on here. I would like to have like a leather or Alcantara one, but maybe down the line I'll do that. Need seats still, and still need to take out the trunk and stuff. I mean the rear seats, but I'll just remove that whenever someone purchases them. Right now I just have them folded up. But yeah, fan is fixed. Still need to figure out why the AC isn't blowing cold, so we'll do that. Radio code didn't work, so I don't know. I might just have to put in another radio or something. I really appreciate it, and he accepted my offer, and I told him the whole story too. Like it's, you know, it's gonna go to a CLK55 6-speed swap, and he took the offer. It was like I think 220 or 210 or I don't know, one of those. So now all I need to do is find the used flywheel. I'm trying to do it, you know, sort of as like a budget build, of course. So if money was no object, or I mean, if I just wasn't trying to do budget build, I would just bought a new one. But considering how cheap I got a used flywheel before, I would like to just get another used flywheel. As long as, you know, the surface is good, you can get it machined or whatever. So yeah, so basically run down, got the hood in, got the grill in, fixed a couple things here and there. New blower fan resistor, blower motor resistor, so now the fan works no matter what. Replaced the LEDs in the cluster, repainted the roof spoiler and the trunk spoiler. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm pretty pleased on, you know, how much progress I made in just 1 week, and, you know, considering I did it all in sort of like a budget, yeah, I'm pretty stoked with it so far. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and maybe next time, maybe I find a flywheel. Oh God, I hope I find a flywheel. And manual swap this thing. So I'm excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time. Peace. Stay safe.